In this tutorial, I'll show you how to get a super high score on Block Blast using a simple glitch. Let's get started. Open the Block Blast app and select Classic Mode. In the top right corner, click the settings icon, the cogwheel. Hit replay until you get a vertical block. Once you have the vertical block, place it in the bottom right corner of the screen. You can place the other blocks wherever you want. I'll put them like this. Set up for the next round. In the next round, you should get another vertical block. Place it like I'm doing here. Make sure to leave one entire line open. You can place other blocks anywhere, just don't fill the last two lines vertically from right to left. The game will keep giving you vertical blocks. Just keep placing them, filling up the lines as you go. After you complete one line, paste another vertical block and keep going. The glitch will keep giving you more vertical blocks, so just repeat this step and your score will keep getting higher. Now you know how to get a super high score with this glitch. If this helped, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. See you next time.
Unbelievable!